If I had to summarize this trip in a word, it'd be brutal.
The whole thing is unique and memorable. Who does this?
I thought the kickoff party was rad.
I thought it was a great opportunity to meet the other participants and just to kind of feel a little bit better that maybe we weren't alone.
Old Sap was a fantastic musician and captivated the crowd with his banjo playing. It was a great social event before we all kind of ventured out into the unknown.
Just have some fun with it. It's nothing you've ever done before. It'll just be completely different than anything you've ever done. If you're a city rider, it won't be anything like that. If you're a long distance rider, it won't be like that either. There's really a bunch of different places you can sleep. You can just pull over to the side of the road and throw up a tent. There's campsites, state parks, hotels, motels, B&Bs. You can really take your pick of anything.
For someone who's unsure about doing a trip like this, you never know until you get out there. Take the time to just make yourself uncomfortable.
It's a great experience, and it'll tell you a lot about yourself.
The summary of our trip was not knowing anything of what we were doing at any time.
We didn't plan anything out in terms of stops.
That is something that is really valuable about these sorts of trips, the unscripted piece.
Know how to change a tire because you will blow a tube.
The climbs definitely seemed like they were never ending.
There were moments, yes, of course, where you're frustrated, you're tired, you're exhausted.
My low point of the trip was getting our team lost. I literally took us 12 miles out of our way and it was really hot and it was really terrible. But we made up for it that night by staying in a hotel. That night was a game changer. And we just powered through the rest of the time. And from that point on, every day was like awesome.
Each day, we just got up and did the damn thing.
Gain so much that comes at this price of working really hard.
I'd say what surprised me the most was the non-stop ups and downs and the constant change in weather. What made it unique for me is that I know that I would probably never have the opportunity to visit some of these places if it wasn't for this trip. I thought it was epic.
What advice to future participants? Bring the butt butter.